If you've got a Braeburn thermostat in your home, you know they're reliable, but sometimes figuring out those advanced settings can be a bit tricky. Today, we're tackling a super common question: how to set your Braeburn thermostat for extended periods. Whether you're heading out on vacation, leaving for the weekend, or just want to maintain a consistent temperature for a long stretch, this video has got you covered. We'll walk you through the steps to save energy and keep your home comfortable while you're away or busy. Let's dive in. Setting your Braeburn thermostat for an extended period, like a vacation or a long weekend away, is all about optimizing comfort and energy savings. Let's break down the process step by step. Understanding Braeburn thermostat modes. First, it's important to understand the basic modes on your Braeburn thermostat. You'll typically see heat for heating your home, cool for cooling your home, auto automatically switches between heat and cool as needed, highly recommended for extended periods, off turns the system off completely, use with caution if extreme temperatures are expected. For extended periods, especially when you're away, using the auto mode is often the best choice as it protects your home from extreme heat or cold. Step by step, setting your Braeburn thermostat for extended periods. Now, let's get into the specifics. While Braeburn models can vary slightly, the core process is generally the same. We'll focus on common Braeburn digital, non-programmable and programmable models. 1. Select your desired mode. Locate the mode button on your Braeburn thermostat. Press it repeatedly until you see your desired operating mode displayed. For long periods, we recommend auto to handle both heating and cooling, or just heat or cool if you know only one is needed. 2. Adjust the set point temperature. Use the up and down arrow buttons to set your desired temperature. For vacation away settings, you'll want to set a temperature that's energy efficient but still protects your home. Summer, cooling. Aim for a higher temperature, perhaps 78 to 82 watts. 25 in 2080. This prevents extreme heat and humidity buildup without overworking your AC. Winter, heating. Aim for a lower temperature, perhaps 60 to 65 degrees past, 15 degrees. This prevents pipes from freezing and keeps your home reasonably warm without high energy bills. For consistent long-term setting, e.g., you work from home and want one temp, simply set your preferred comfortable temperature. 3. Activating hold or vacation features for programmable models. If you have a programmable Braeburn thermostat, you might have a hold or vacation button. Hold it feature. Pressing the hold it button usually overrides your programmed schedule and maintains the current set temperature indefinitely until you press run. Cancel or resume. This is perfect for when you want a temporary but long-term override. Vacation feature. Some advanced Braeburn models might have a dedicated vacation or away setting. Consult your specific Braeburn manual, but generally you'd press the vacation button. Enter your departure and return dates, if prompted. Set the desired vacation temperatures for heating and cooling. The thermostat will then automatically revert to your regular schedule upon your return date. 4. Verifying your settings. Always double-check the display after making changes. Ensure the mode and set temperature are what you intended. If using hold, confirm that hold is displayed on the screen. Here are a few extra tips and common questions we get about setting your Braeburn thermostat for extended periods. Don't turn it completely off, unless necessary. While turning your system off might seem like the ultimate energy saver, it can lead to problems. In summer, humidity can build up, causing mold. In winter, pipes can freeze and burst. Using sensible away temperatures in auto mode is safer. Consider a Wi-Fi enabled Braeburn. If you have a smart Braeburn thermostat with Wi-Fi, you can adjust settings remotely from your phone. This gives you ultimate control and peace of mind while you're away. Battery check. Before leaving for an extended period, it's always a good idea to check the batteries in your Braeburn thermostat. Low batteries can cause unpredictable behavior. Refer to your specific manual. While these steps are general, always consult the user manual for your specific Braeburn model for exact button locations and advanced features. You can usually find these online by searching Braeburn, your model number manual. And there you have it. Setting your Braeburn thermostat for extended periods doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps, you can ensure your home remains protected and energy efficient, whether you're gone for a few days or a few weeks. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips, electronic lock tutorials, and thermostat guides. Got a question about your Braeburn or another thermostat? Leave it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.